reaction.
Boom! What's the word YouTube? It's about Time Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Yeah, we have a song from... You call him, you pronounce the name, dog. Bumba Blood Chop. Alright. Buttress, or whatever you want to call it. Buttress. How we pronounce it? Yeah, I've been recommending this song for a minute, so we're going to give it to you. It's called Position, official video. Let's get straight to it. You're probably going to get like 5 to 6 videos today from your boy. So, this is the first one of the day. Let go. Position.
Mafio. House.
We're not going to talk about it so early. Come in.
Mafio. House.
When we there, me girl, don't fear that. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, don't fear that. When you ready, me ready, we nah need chat. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, nah
What the bomb?
I need chat.
Hold on. But go on.
When we there, me girl, don't fear that. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, don't fear that. When you ready, me ready, we nah need chat. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, nah need chat.
Body never done, hotter than a gun. Man forward and get them money to the ground. Sick vibe thing, much spread it all around. Girl, you are shining, I want you for this session. Position, best position. I will never run, give me your best position.
The Kenyan vibes, not cartel, the Kenyan alkaline down there.
Body never done, best position. I will never run, give me your best position.
Baby, give me that best position. Never met an East African hooligan. Hit.
Hooligan, me blood clot. Go on!
Best position. I will never run, give me your best position.
Give me your best position.
Baby, give me that best position. Never
Hooligan.
met an East African hooligan. Hit till it burns. Come on, bend down, baby.
Nope, take that back, my G. Go on.
East African hooligan. Hit till it burns. Come on, bend down, baby. Turn the 101. You shoulda told me that you're freaky, yeah. I shoulda told you like a Caribbean girl. Wind your back to an instant curve. Hit till it burns. Come on, bend down, baby. Turn the 101. You shoulda told me that you're freaky, yeah. I shoulda told you like a Caribbean girl. Wind your back to an instant curve. Alien girl from a different world.
When we there, me girl, don't fear that. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, don't fear that. When you ready, me ready, we nah need chat. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, nah need chat.
Body never done, hotter than a gun. Man forward and get them money to the ground. Sick vibe thing, much spread it all around. Girl, you want
Be a dancer for this video. You think on the slick? I don't think on the slick. Me see what I do, but go on.
man forward and get them money to the ground. Sick vibe thing, much spread it all around. Girl, you are shining, I want you for this session. Position, best position. I will never run, give me your best position. Body never done, best position. I will never run, give me your best position. Give me a wind up, yeah girl, do it like I'm your man. Follow the melody, bend on everything normal. Yeah, wind up, on me body back to drive, man. You got everything, you make me fly like Jordan.
Yeah, this is what I know me and look for, but let's talk about the song for a minute. You feel me? So far I watch, well, obviously y'all recommended it to me, so y'all know what it is about, but me like it. So, this artist right here, so his name is, I said Blaiz Fayah. Blaiz Fayah, so I think Blaiz Fayah remind me of Alkaline. I don't know who Buttress reminds me of it, or Buttress. I think Buttress. Can't pronounce the name, but yeah, I know who remind me of it, but Blaiz Fayah remind me of Alkaline. You see me, I say.
Yeah, wind up on me body back to drive, man. You got everything, you make me fly like Jordan.
Think you shake it to even interesting. Let me ask, hey madam, how you do that thing? Hey, I thought you wanna get the sweetest things, cause I say I couldn't sweet kaya Big Becky.
When we there, me girl, don't fear that. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, don't fear that. When you ready, me ready, we nah need chat. Drop it down, yeah, me girl, nah need chat.
Body never done, hotter than a gun. Man forward and get them money to the ground. Sick vibe thing, much spread it all around. Girl, you are shining, I want you for this session. Position, best position. Spread it all around. Girl, you are shining, I want you for this session. Position.
Position.
Best position. I will never run, give me your best position. Body never done. Best position. I will never run, give me your best position.
Best position.
Baby, give me the best position.
I guess this is the
Best position.
whatever culture you want me to react to, yeah, bus transportation. So how do I find like a good, you feel me, I say a good video about it so we can give it a full exclusive, because I've seen a few clips and it reminds me of the Jamaican culture a lot. So like, you see me, drop some recommendations where I could find some good videos about the transportation culture, and I'll definitely tap into it. You see me, I say run it. Best position.
Baby, give me the best position. Best position.
That is it. That's what the comments saying about this video real quick. What am I saying? What am I saying? Touch up button. You're from Kenya. Everything's done in Kenya. When the police arrive, they call, what the hell? Call the judge. Oh, hey. Anyways, I'm going to drop the rest for y'all because I know what happened yesterday. We ain't going to have that shit happen again today. So I'll see you on another video. Quick and fast. I think Toxic Lyric just up a new song, so you know who's going to react to it, right? Let's chat.